Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve a very important function related problem that is important for O-level exam and set exam. So let's start to solve this problem. The question says if f of x minus 2 equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. The question says to find out the value of f of x. Now we need to solve this problem. Here the question says f of x minus 2 equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Now let y equal to x minus 2. Okay. Then if y equal to x minus 2, then we can say x will be y plus 2. Now, so if we want to replace x in the function, then what will happen? Look, instead of x minus 2, we will put y. So f of y, we are just replacing the values. And instead of x, we will replace y plus 2. Okay. So here we will get y plus whole square plus 5 into y plus 2 plus 6. Now, expand. If we want to do the expanding, then we can find out y plus 2 whole square. That is the formula of a plus b whole square. That is the algebraic identities. And that is y square plus 2 into y into 2 plus 2 square. Okay. And multiplying y plus 2 by 5 will be 5 into y, 5y. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 6. Now, y square plus 4y plus 4 plus 5y plus 16. Now, we need to calculate y square, 5y plus 4y will be 9y, and 16 plus 4 will be 20. Okay. So we can find out this one, f of y equal to y square plus 9y plus 20. Now, if we want to put the value of x instead of y, then what will be our final result? F of x will be x square plus 9x plus 20. I hope you understand this one properly. So if you understand this one properly, try to solve these three problems. First one, if f of x plus 3 equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, then find out the value of f of x. If f of x plus 5 equal to x square plus 4x plus 5, then find f of x. And if f of x plus 4 equal to x square minus thrice x plus 2, then find f of x. Okay. I hope you can easily solve this one. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman.